In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the Pure Fitness flat bench. To assemble, you will need a wrench and a socket wrench. Position the main frame, part 1, and the support frame, part 2, together so the holes line up. The welded plate on the support frame should be facing outwards. Secure with M10 70mm bolts, part 8, and M10 washers, part 10, and M10 nuts, part 9. While holding the wheels between the brackets, secure with M8 bolt part 6, M8 washers part 5, and M8 nuts part 7. Secure the cushion, part 3, to the main frame using 2 M10 washers and 2 M10 70mm bolts. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.